Welcome to a complete guide to investing in Dubai real estate. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Dubai real estate. Join us as we uncover the top success secrets for beginners in this booming market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this video is your ultimate guide to navigating Dubai real estate. Alright guys, before you even think about dropping serious cash on a Dubai property, we need to talk about the ground rules. First off, visas, your ticket to legally living and investing in Dubai. Depending on your nationality, you might be eligible for a residency visa by simply buying a property. Talk about a sweet deal, right? But hold on, there's more. You also gotta wrap your head around property ownership laws. Freehold means you own the property outright, while leasehold gives you ownership for a set period. Knowing the difference can save you from some serious headaches down the line. And let's not forget about the Dubai Land Department, or DLD for short. These guys handle everything from property registration to ensuring transactions are smooth as silk. Let's face it, trying to time the real estate market is like trying to predict the next viral TikTok dance. It's unpredictable. But hey, that doesn't mean we can't at least try to make educated guesses. Keep your eyes glued to those property price trends. Are they skyrocketing, plateauing, taking a sudden nosedive? Knowing the answer will give you a feel for the market's temperature. Next up, we gotta talk about supply and demand, the dynamic duo of economics. Is Dubai swimming in new developments, or are properties scarcer than parking spots on a Friday night? And hey, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned news and analysis. By keeping your finger on the pulse of the market, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions. Okay, let's talk money, honey. Investing in Dubai real estate requires some serious capital. First things first, you gotta figure out how much you can realistically afford to invest. Factor in those pesky closing costs, potential renovation expenses, and ongoing maintenance fees. Next up, let's explore your financing options. Will you be forking over a mountain of cash, or are you considering a mortgage? If you're leaning towards the latter, it's time to brush up on those interest rates, loan terms, and all that fun financial jargon. And hey, while you're crunching those numbers, don't forget to factor in your return on investment, or ROI for short. Will you be renting out your property for passive income, or are you in it for the long-term appreciation? Remember, investing in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Alright guys, let's be real. Navigating the Dubai real estate market can feel like trying to decipher hieroglyphics. That's where your A-team comes in. A squad of seasoned professionals ready to guide you through the labyrinth of paperwork, negotiations, and legalities. First up, you'll need a real estate agent who knows Dubai like the back of their hand. They'll be your eyes and ears on the ground, scouting out properties, negotiating deals, and generally making your life a whole lot easier. Next, you'll want a lawyer who specializes in Dubai real estate law. They'll be your legal eagle, making sure all the paperwork is legit and protecting your interests every step of the way. And hey, if you're planning on renting out your property, a property management company can be a lifesaver. Building a solid team of professionals is crucial for a smooth and successful real estate journey in Dubai. Alright, let's talk neighborhoods, shall we? Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, lifestyles, and architectural marvels, each neighborhood boasting its own unique flavor. So how do you choose the perfect one for you? First things first, consider your priorities. Are you a social butterfly who thrives in the heart of the action? Then downtown Dubai with its towering skyscrapers, bustling nightlife, and iconic landmarks might be right up your alley. Or maybe you're a beach bum at heart, craving sun-kissed sands and the soothing sound of waves crashing. Look no further than Dubai Marina or Palm Jumeirah, where luxury waterfront living reigns supreme. If you're raising a family, you'll want a neighborhood that's safe, family-friendly, and packed with schools, parks, and community vibes. Check out Arabian Ranches, Emirates Hills, or Jumeirah Park. They're like the suburban oases of Dubai. Remember, choosing the right neighborhood is crucial for your overall happiness and the success of your investment. Alright guys, let's be real. In the world of Dubai real estate, it's not always what you know, but who you know. That's why networking is your secret weapon to unlocking exclusive deals, insider information, and a whole lot of opportunities. First things first, attend industry events like real estate expos, seminars, and workshops. These are gold mines for meeting industry heavyweights, rubbing shoulders with potential investors, and soaking up valuable knowledge. Next up, join online forums and social media groups dedicated to Dubai real estate. These digital hubs are buzzing with discussions, market insights, and sometimes even off-market property listings. Reach out to real estate agents, property developers, and fellow investors for informal meetups. Building a strong network takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Okay guys, let's talk about harnessing the power of the internet for your Dubai real estate ventures. Gone are the days of relying solely on newspaper classifieds and word of mouth. The digital world is your oyster. First things first, bookmark those property portals like your life depends on it. Websites like Dubizzle, Property Finder, and Bayut are treasure troves of listings, allowing you to filter by location, budget, and property type. Next up, dive into the world of real estate blogs and websites. These digital gems offer valuable market insights, expert opinions, and even neighborhood guides to help you make informed decisions. Some of my favorites include Property Monitor, Ryden, and Gulf News Real Estate section. And hey, don't forget about the power of social media. Follow real estate agencies, developers, and industry influencers for the latest updates, project launches, and sometimes even exclusive deals. Embrace the digital age, utilize these online resources, and watch your real estate journey soar to new heights. Alright guys, it's time to talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the influencer in your Instagram feed. That's right, social media isn't just for sharing vacation pics and cat videos. It's a powerful tool for staying ahead in the Dubai real estate game. First things first, follow real estate agencies, developers, and industry experts. They're constantly posting about new projects, market trends, and sometimes even offering exclusive deals to their followers. Next up, join Facebook groups and LinkedIn communities dedicated to Dubai real estate. These digital hubs are buzzing with discussions, questions from newbies, and often off-market opportunities that never even make it to the big listing websites. Many real estate agents and developers now give virtual tours of properties, host Quanda sessions, and share behind-the-scenes glimpses of the Dubai market. Remember, in the fast-paced world of Dubai real estate, information is power and social media is where it's at. Start scrolling, engaging, and connecting. You might just find your dream property or that game-changing piece of advice in your feed. Alright folks, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of real estate timing. Knowing when to buy, when to sell, and when to simply sit tight and ride the market wave can make all the difference in your investment journey. Firstly, understand that Dubai's market is cyclical. It goes through periods of boom and bust, influenced by factors like global economic conditions, oil prices, and even major events like the Expo. Keeping an eye on these macro trends can give you a sense of the overall market direction. Secondly, pay attention to micro trends within specific neighborhoods or property types. For example, a new metro line or a major development project can significantly impact property values in a particular area. Having a clear investment strategy and sticking to it, even when the market gets bumpy, is key to long-term success. Alright guys, let's be real. In the world of Dubai real estate, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Building strong relationships with key players can open doors to exclusive opportunities, insider information, and a whole lot more. First up, prioritize building genuine connections with real estate agents. Treat them as partners, not just salespeople. Share your investment goals, be responsive to their communication, and show appreciation for their efforts. A strong agent-investor relationship can be a game changer. Next, network with property developers. Attend their project launches, engage with them on social media, and express your interest in their work. Building rapport with developers can give you access to pre-launch offers, preferential pricing, and insights into upcoming projects. Remember, building strong relationships takes time and effort, but the rewards in Dubai real estate are well worth it. Thanks for watching. If you're new to Dubai real estate, I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to take the first step. Be sure to check out my other videos on real estate tips and share your own experiences in the comments section below. Let's continue the conversation. Dubai is a city of endless possibilities, and with the right approach, your real estate dreams can become a reality. Thanks for watching. If you're new to Dubai real estate, I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to take the first step. Be sure to check out my other videos on real estate tips and share your own experiences in the comments section below. Let's continue the conversation.